everyone, it's Miss Daisy. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a 5-minute healthy strawberry frozen yogurt. This is our last recipe out of the 3 strawberry recipes for Strawberry Week. So before we get started, what you're going to be needing to make this recipe, you're going to be needing 4 cups of chopped frozen strawberries. And I just put the 4 cups of freshly chopped strawberries in the freezer for about like 3 hours, and it got frozen. So, or you can do this overnight and then use your frozen strawberries to make the following day. You're going to need 3 tablespoons of honey or agave nectar. You're going to be needing 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And last but not least, you're going to be needing a 1/2 cup of plain non-fat yogurt. The last thing you're going to be needing is a blender to blend everything together. Okay, so let's first wash your hands for 20 seconds. And if you have long hair like I do, make sure to tie it back. Let's go wash your hands. Okay, my hands are clean. I'm going to bring my blender over. So the first thing I'm going to add is I'm going to add our 4 cups of frozen, let's see if you can see. First thing I'm going to add into our blender is 4 cups of frozen chopped strawberries. Next thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Next ingredient is 3 tablespoons of honey. Just 1. And 3. The last ingredient I'm going to add is the 1/2 cup of plain non-fat yogurt. 1/2 cup. Half a cup of plain non-fat yogurt. Okay, I'm going to blend this until it's creamy for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes have passed and it looks like it's nice and creamy. It smells delicious. I have an airtight container for the leftovers. I'm going to grab a bowl. Put the leftovers in an airtight sealed container. And now we have our frozen, strawberry frozen yogurt. Tastes amazing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's the last of our three recipes in Strawberry Week. So next week we're going to be focused on leafy greens. And I'm going to be cooking some 3 delicious recipes that includes leafy greens. So again, I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute healthy strawberry frozen yogurt. And oh, I forgot to mention that you can probably find the plain non-fat yogurt at a local food pantry, but it all depends on what they have for that week. But I have seen that sometimes they do have the non-fat yogurt. You might get lucky when you get there. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And so until next week, I hope to make some delicious leafy green recipes with you. I hope you have a good weekend and take care. Bye.